Hello guys, this is the spoiler I'm going to install. So I get it from eBay. It's like you need to do a lot of work on this one, because it's aftermarket. So you need to do the holes, you need to paint it, you need to work on it if you want it to look good on your car. To install this spoiler, you're gonna use this as a support. It's under the car. You can use the H to hold it on both sides. It will be easy. Now over here, I'm just gonna use some tape to hold the front. This is the way it's gonna look right now. So what I'm gonna do first is just to align this part, the edges need to be perfect. So let's move to that. So over here, just try to the best to align to the edge. So I'm just gonna put tape and it will work perfect. And then you will do the same on the other side. I'm doing this because this spoiler doesn't come with the holes because you need to do it. So as soon you have it like the way you want, so that's when we're gonna do the measurement for the hole. This is how they're gonna look on the other side. This part over here needs to be inside, not all the way here, because it won't match. And this one is from the previous front lip that I have, so I have to screw. So I'm gonna cover that one, but at the end, that's how it's gonna look. So since you have it like that, now you can start see where the holes will go. It won't be perfect, but that's the best match, like right here. You need to calculate. This one doesn't match at all because it's right here, but outside that's the where it's supposed to go. So you're just gonna do it right here, and you do the same with the other ones. So what I'm going to use here is a 1/4 inch bit for the holes. And for this one, I will do 1.5 inches here, or 2 inches in. And just do the same in the other side. If you have imperfections like this one, you will have to sand it. You can use like 220 or whatever to sand it, because when you paint it, it will be really noticeable, all those imperfections.
Now to make it smooth, I will use 1000 sandpaper. To clean all the contamination, you're gonna use rubbing alcohol. So just clean the whole spoiler with this. I will use plastic for the base. I will apply 3 coats. So just do it all over the spoiler 3 times, and let it rest. You can do it after 10 minutes, the second coat, and then another 10 minutes, the third coat. Just keep going until you are done with the plastic.
When you finish doing the third pass, it will look like this. So it's all evenly. This is the black that I'm going to use on the spoiler. It's a 15-minute fast dry, so let's try it.
This is how it's gonna look. I did 2 passes, after I wait 20 minutes and then I do the second pass. And this is how it look at the end. It looks really shiny. It won't be like a factory shiny, but so far it looks good.
Well, now we will have to remove all the bolts that we have over here. So you do it, all of them. Now that we are here, we try to do the first one right now. Now that we are here, we try to do the first one right now. Okay, since I tied these ones over here look good, but these ones, you know, the washer is here. You know, when you tight, it's gonna push it down like incline. So on this one, we cannot use this one anymore. So I will use different bolts over here. So I need to use one with a washer so it doesn't do pressure here. So it only stuck right here. So it can be flat here. So now we use this one that it has similar thickness, you know, not the same, but as soon doesn't push. And then remember the hole here, the one you do here is the one that will press all the way here like this. So for this one I will use the one you know I cannot use in the previous one. So I will try it right here. Don't tie it all of it because maybe we will need to adjust a little. Okay, now you can see it's like no gaps. It's like even. Like this one, if you see at the front, we have a gap like this, and you see the gap is, you know, you see it right here in the front. Just put another one right here, but I will check right now. So on the other side you will do the same. If you experience the same as me, if you purchase the same clip, you know, you will use this one right now. So this is the original that needs to be there. So I will use it right on this one over there on the edge. Okay, that's at the end how does it look right now. But if you don't like, remember this is not like a perfect fit. You know, to see this gap you need to be really below. But you see it from the top, you wouldn't even notice. But if you want it to raise a little bit, you need another screw here, so it can go up this a little bit. So I will put one more right here, and you will see now. Now it's close. Now you can do the other side. It looks way better. So you have the same issue, just do it on the other side.
This is the way it's gonna look the spoiler when you finish installing everything. I will consider looks pretty good. Compared to a eBay product, doesn't look bad, but you need to work on it. Any eBay product never gonna come perfect. You need to work on it to make it look good. But so far, I would say looks good. So I hope you like the video, guys. Thank you, and please like and subscribe.